Nag-isip na ako. Marunong po ako respeto sa mga matanda. At makibagay sa mga kapwa. Salamat po.
Thank you very much. Ginoo number 9. This time, we have Ginoo number 10. This is your question. What makes you feel that you are handsome? I repeat the question. What makes you feel that you are handsome?
Kung ikukumpara po natin sa mga babae sa babae yan po, ang nagpapakita po sa kanila or sa tingin po nila na maganda sila is kung naka-makeup sila. Sa amin po mga kalalakihan, ang tingin po namin sa sarili namin pag bagong gupit is gwapo po kami. So, yun po ang sa tingin ko yung nakakagwapo sa akin pag bagong gupit ako. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Pag bagong gupit, gwapo, no? And our last but not the least, Ginoo number 11. This is your question. What qualities should the Ginoong Mambo possess? I repeat the question. What qualities would the Ginoong Mambo possess?
Para sa akin po, mabukod na ano po, may magagaling po sila at magagaling po sila ng mga pattern. Ayun po sila.
Thank you very much, Ginoo number 11. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Ginoo candidates. Let's give them a big round of applause. And this time, I bring back my partner, Maring MJ Larayos, na in love na in love.
Alright, thank you so much.
Pwede din partner, narinig mo ang kagaling ng mga Ginoong Mambo.
Yes, you are equally handsome and intelligent.
Yes. Ang dami natin natutunan sa kanila. Gusto ko yung bagong gupit. I like it.
But anyway, thank you so much, Georgie.
Yes, partner. See you later.
Yes, and of course, at this time, let's give our Bini Mambo candidates chance to convince our panel of judges. So let's welcome back our beautiful Binibinis. Of course, let's start with our question and answer portion with our first Bini for tonight, our Bini 1. Alright, so all our candidates, I will read twice, of course, your question that you're going to pick sa aking role. Alright, so ito ang iyong question, Bini 1. Aside of honor and pride, what is the most valuable essence of getting Binibining Mambo title and crown? I repeat the question. Aside of honor and pride, what is the most valuable essence of getting Binibining Mambo title and crown?
Bukod po sa pride at honor ng pagiging panalo ng Binibining Mambo, ang kaibahan po ng panalong ito ay ang mga oportunidad ng mga sumusunod pa sa akin at ang pagiging socially aware ng pagiging Binibining Mambo. Yan lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Bini 1. Alright, now let's go down to our Bini number 2. Alright, Bini number 2, pick a question. Okay, here's your question. Are you a woman of today or tomorrow? I repeat the question. Are you a woman of today or tomorrow?
Thank you for the question. I believe I am a woman of today. Just like every other woman existing nowadays, they have always been self-aware, and they do know their responsibilities, and they have been much more capable of doing things than they was before. And that alone can prove the fact that I can be a woman of today, just like everyone existing right now. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Our Bini Bini 2, how about our Bini Bini number 3? Question. One of our crowd's favorites tonight is our Bini Bini 3. Okay, this is your question. What do you think makes the Barangay Mambog truly world class? Okay, I repeat the question. What do you think makes the Barangay Mambog a truly world class?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I think what makes the Barangay Mambog truly world class is because they spread body positivity. This Ginoon Binibining Mambog is one of the best examples. Body positivity. For example, if you're too thin, it's okay. If you're a little too chubby, it's okay. If you have stretch marks, it's okay. Because our body is a gift from God, and we should all love ourselves. And I thank you.
Thank you so much. Bini Bini number 3. This time let's send it out to our Bini Bini 4. Alright, Bini Bini 4, pick your question. Okay, this is your question. What do you think is the message that SK Mambog wants to send the general public by including swimwear competition as a category of the pageant? I repeat the question. What do you think is the message that SK Mambog wants to send the general public by including swimwear competition as a category of the pageant?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I think for me is, nakikita niyo naman po yung katawan ko. For me is a body shaming. Because alam naman po natin na popular ito sa issue sa buong mundo, at ako bilang isang babae ay nakakaranas ng pambabody shaming. Dito lamang mga nakaraan, bago mag-audition, ako ay nakaranas ng pang-insulto. Sinabihan ako na wag akong sumali sa patimpalang na ito dahil sa katawan ko. Sinabihan ako na sasali ka dyan, di ka matatanggap dyan. Sinabihan naman ang laki-laki ng mukha ko. Kaya ngayon, nandito ako sa inyong harapan para ipakita ang talento ko at ang skill ko sa pageant na ito. At nandito ako sa inyong harapan para sabihin na hindi porke mataba ka o marami kang insecurity sa inyong katawan ay hindi ka pwede sa patimpalak na ito. And I thank you!
Thank you so much. So our Bini Bini number 4. Alright, let's go now to our Bini Bini number 5. Alright, Bini Bini number 5, pick your question. And your question is, for you, what is the effective way to promote Barangay Mambog? I have a question for you, what is the effective way to promote Barangay Mambog?
The effective way of promoting Barangay Mambog is to advocate the youth and culture, the social awareness, and also environmental issue about this barangay. And I thank you.
Thank you, Bini Bini number 5. This time, let's go to our Bini Bini number 6. Alright, Bini Bini 6, pick your question. And your question is, what can make you smile in times of challenges? Remember the question? What can make you smile in times of challenges?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Para po sa akin, ay ang aking pamilya. Dahil katulad ngayon, ako'y nasa inyong harapan at nagpapakita ng aking talento, at sa mga pamilya at kaibigan ko na nakasuporta sa akin, maraming salamat. Dahil sa inyo ay ako'y inyong napapangiti. Mula sa hamon na ito, thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibini 6. And now let's go out to our Binibini number 7. Alright, Binibini 7, pick a question. Okay, this is your question. Do you agree that English is a basis of intelligence? I have a question. Do you agree that English is a basis of intelligence?
Thank you for question. Bilang kabataan ng Barangay Mambog, disagree po ako dito dahil bilang isang Pilipino, dapat ang pinagtutunan